Hello guys, welcome to another video of AWS. In this video, I will show you how to create an EC2 machine and how to connect that machine. So basically in this video, all you have to do is to log into your AWS account, which is I've already done, and navigate to EC2. Make sure you select a perfect region for your machine. In my case, I have selected Mumbai region. Regions are basically depends on the requirement of your machine, whether you want your machine to be in Virginia or California or any other places worldwide. Okay, so once you select your region, just simply click on launch instance, and in the name I'll give you my instance name. So I'll put it my first instance. It will be my first instance, and in the application and OS images you can select any operating system that you want. You can select Amazon, Mac, Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat, any machine that you want. So I'll select Windows for now. Once you select Windows machines or operating system, you can select your machine images which is there. You can select different versions of Windows servers, whether it is 2019, 2016 or 22 with SQL servers and other standard base. So you can select as per your need. Once you select those, you can select instance type. In my case, I have selected T2 micro, which is free tier eligible as of now, but as per the requirement you can change your machine type to anything from T2 small or large, medium, nano, T3 large, anything. Then you have to select a key pair. So let's create a key pair. So key pair is basically a key pair that you require to connect to your machine. So I'll create a key pair. So I'll give a name to my key pair is my underscore key pair, my key, and I'll select. If you want to connect directly from putty, you can select a .ppk extension, but if you have selected PAM file, you can also convert those files to ppk file later. So I'll create a key and it's downloaded here. Let's continue. And these are the network settings. So network settings are basically nothing else. It's a VPC. So by default AWS will create a VPC for you, but if you already have a VPC, you can select those VPC. In my case, I have selected default VPC and default subnets. The security group, either you can select your security group or you can create a security group. So basically security groups are firewall on EC2 level, which will allow traffic or restrict traffic within your VPC from EC2 to internet. So I'll allow all HTTPS and HTTP traffic from anywhere. So 0.0.0/0 is basically anywhere your machine will communicate with worldwide. These are configuration for storage services. So you can create any storage services. We will discuss those storage services in later videos, so don't get confused as of now. So I have selected GP2 30 GB storage, which is a root volume which is not encrypted. We will discuss that later, don't worry about that, and there are some advanced details as well. So we'll discuss all those things. For now, basically all you have to do is to select all these things. Don't worry about the advanced details. Just select all those things and click on launch, and it will create a EC2 machine within seconds. Now navigate to the instances, and this is my machine. It will in the pending state, and once it's done, it will do the health check and your machine will be available. So let me pause this video and I'll be back once the machine is ready. Okay guys, so machine is ready now. As you can see, my first instance and it's running, and both the health checks are passed. So let's connect to this machine now. So this is the public IP. We can copy this public IP and open remote desktop, copy your IP and click on connect. It will ask you for the login. For the login, where we can find it, so just simply select your machine, click on connect and click on RDP client, and here you will see the username is administrator and password is we get from our private key that we have created. If you remember, we have created a private key, so we'll upload a private key. In my case, this is the private key that I have created my key. I'll select this and decrypt password. So here is my password. Don't worry about the password, I'll just try this machine once this demo is completed. So I'll copy this password and paste it here and click on connect. Yes, and boom, we are in the machine. So this is how you can create an EC2 machine on your AWS, and you can do whatever you want. You can create your website, run your website, your application, anything. All you have to do is to configure all those requirements. So guys, if you like this video, do subscribe and share it as much as you can to help others to onboard on AWS. So this is our machine. As you can see, all the details are available right here. Once this machine is loaded completely, you can navigate to my computer and do whatever you want. So guys, that's it for this video. Thanks. See you in the next.